for just $1, only at Hardee's.
The Emmy-winning People's Court.
Weekdays at 10 on WZDX. Covering Huntsville, Decatur, Florence. Putting the Valley first. You're watching WZDX News at 5:30.
Operation Warp Speed is now encouraging states to ramp up their vaccination plans and administer doses to more people. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Connor Board. We'll have more on that in just a moment, but first let's take a look at what's ahead. At 5:34, a shooting and a fire are now under investigation in Scottsboro after a situation at a Zaxby's. Then at 5:39, our Valley's top teacher in Madison County is known for breaking out in song and caring for his kids. We'll introduce you to him. And at 5:45, a local group is calling for Congressman Mo Brooks to resign. We'll tell you why. Now I'll start with a look at the most up-to-date COVID numbers in Alabama. Over 3,800 new cases added today, bringing us to nearly 408,000 Alabamians who have gotten COVID. Our deaths in Alabama rose significantly today by 226, but the Department of Health says this is because they also added some deaths that were not reported earlier because they needed to be reviewed. That brings our total to 5,573. Our hospitalizations continue to be over 3,000 today. 478 are in the Huntsville hospital system. Here's our chart showing the daily number of new cases here in Alabama. The dots are the trend line, and you can see it's still going up. So stay safe, wear your mask, and weigh your risks when going out in public. Operation Warp Speed has been distributing COVID vaccines for a month now, and for the first time, they have more vaccines than are being requested in the 1A group. Our Kelly Kennedy tells us what federal and state leaders are doing to get people in the next phases vaccinated.
Operation Warp Speed is expanding their distribution of the COVID vaccine.